Yes! You beauty! Well done, that's first time! Keep our balance and go slow. That's the way. You good job. Well done. Keep going. And use your brakes more than your feet. You know what I mean? Your feet don't stop you, your brakes do. Okay, your brakes do. Good job. Nice and tough on your handlebars. Slow down, back brake. That's the way. Good control. Good job. That's alright, you can get on there. Well done. Did you fall off? No, you didn't. Go on, you'll be able to start with your left foot. That's the way. Alright. Good job. On the right of the track, and you try and stay in that groove. Okay, so use your brakes. Good job, use your brakes. Well done. Okay, use your brakes, try and steer it out of the big steep groove, and use your brakes. Oh no, I'd go left. Good job, you're doing well. Keep going. Now try and cut across a little bit into that groove. That's it. Keep your balance and use your brakes. Good job. Well done. That's the way. Up.